Alright, here comes. Raindrops are falling on my head. But this is fucking ridiculous. I gotta hurry up. I got my towel. Drops keep falling on my head. It's like the wife feet 2 feet near his bed. Thing seems to fit. Hose and drops are falling on my head. Falling and oh, I did some fucking to the sun. I said I didn't like the way you got things done on the job. Hose and drops keep falling on my head. Keep falling. There's one thing. Oh, the blues. Me young till happiness stop to greet me. Fucking, I hate this fucking rain. It keep falling on my head. Doesn't make me be burning red. On the right, as cause really things hurt me. Fuck this rain. I won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Definitely, as I'm never gonna stop breathing, cause I'm free.